Welcome guys to our YouTube channel Aptitude Math Learner. Guys, today we are having a very interesting question, and this question I have seen it comes mostly in all types of competitive exam. So the question we are having that is the expenses of A and B are in the ratio that is 2:3, and a sum of rupees 2,800 is equally divided between them. If A saves rupees 600, then B saves. So here we have to find out the savings of B. So the first thing which we have to do, we take that, let the expenditure be, so in the question it is been given that the expenditure of A that is 2x, and for B that is in the ratio that is 3x. So in the next part of the question it is saying that 2,800 is equally divided. So here their savings are, their incomes, you can say income that is 2,800 equally divided. So we divided it by 2 and we get here the answer that is 1,400. So here incomes of A that is 1,400, and for B that is as well as 1,400. But you can see it in the question that only we are given the savings of A. So here A saving that is 600, but we don't know the savings of B. So for this reason we have to do the first thing, that is, therefore the first thing given in the condition that is if A's income, we are taking A because we have just given all the condition for A's, but we have to find the saving of B, so we are not having B. So from A we find out the B saving. So A's income minus A's expenditure that is equal to the saving. And how much is the saving of A? That is 600. I hope you have understood it till here. So here we are having the A's income, and that is 1,400 minus A's expenditure. So this here, let the expenditure here we have just taken that is 2A. So here we take 2x is equal to 600. So the first thing which we have to do, we will find out the value of x. For this, if the value of x is being found out, then we can easily find the savings for B. So this becomes 1,400 minus 600. So this is 600 and it goes this side, it becomes minus, that is equal to 2x, and this becomes 800 is equal to 2x. Now x is equal to 800 divided by 2. So here we get the value of x. So 800 divided by 2 we get that is 400. So this is the value for x. I hope you have understood till here. Now B's expenditure. So now we are just here to find out the B savings. So for this we take B's, how much will be the B's expenditure. So here we have just found the value of x, and that is B's expenditure that is in the ratio 3x. So this becomes how much? 3 multiplied by 400. So here we get the answer that is 1200. So this is the expenditure for B. So now we have just find out B's expenditure. Now in the question you can also see that it is said and it is asking that what is B's saving. So B's saving. So B's saving how much? So B's income. This is the formula to find out the incomes, expenditure and saving minus B's expenditure that is how much is equal to savings. So we have to find out the saving. So B's income that we have already found out that both incomes are equally divided, and that becomes 1400 for B and as well as for A. So here B's income that is 1400 minus B's expenditure we have just found out, and that is 1200 is equal to saving. So this is for B. B's saving. So how much it becomes? It becomes 200. So 1400 minus 1200, we get the answer that is 200. That is B's saving. So this is our answer. So hope you have understood the method. If you liked it, so please share it with your friend, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel. So thank you very much.